So this video is going to be about the top 5 reasons why money always flows to the rich. And I'm very excited because I'm using an awesome video tool that will make things incredibly easy. I will play the video in just a moment, but first a short introduction. My name is Anders Larsson and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. I started my journey as a YouTube influencer in 2019 and I help people get started with their online business. I use a powerful platform that has the digital training necessary to become successful online. If you're interested in knowing how I make money online, I will share more information at the end of the video. But without further ado, I will let Matthew take over from here.
There will always be people who have more than we do and people who have less, therefore it is useless to compare ourselves to them. On the other hand, there is nothing wrong with imitating others' successes. Let's think about the top 5 causes of success. The following should be implemented as much as you can after learning without criticizing yourself. 1. Potential for income. Given that many people with high income spend everything they earn, and then some, it follows that your income is not the most significant factor in determining your level of wealth. However, a steady income flow is quite beneficial because it makes it possible for you to save money and make investments. You won't be able to save money for your future without a sufficient salary. Here, income potential is crucial. Even if you might not be making a lot of money right now, what does the future hold? Even if a job isn't currently financially rewarding, sticking with it may make a lot of sense if the future is promising. Ahead, are there promising chances that are also feasible? If your current position is a dead end, do all in your power to alter it. If you are unable to change careers, find another job. By starting a side business or pushing your spouse to do so, you can create your own new employment. Don't stress on quick outcomes. Make choices and take action now to ensure that you'll have the income you need in the future to seriously invest, save, and increase your net worth. 2. Endurance. Many people, especially younger people, have the challenge of wanting results right now. This is a significant money waster. You are setting yourself up for a gloomy future if you are impatient and seek quick results. Why investing in brief jobs and businesses that guarantee quick profits are typically expensive fantasies and lies. The law of nature states that risk increases with increasing return. According to my experience, these super quick return methods frequently result in significant losses. Wealthy individuals recognize that success develops gradually, and here's an added piece of advice for young pilgrims. Make the most of the enough time you have. While you may desire immediate outcomes, long-term success is what you really need. Like the wealthy, you can create a very secure future by moving slowly. 3. Focus. Those that are well off, in my experience, tend to concentrate on what they do best and what adds the greatest value before outsourcing what they can to reliable professionals. Put all of your professional focus on a career or business that has a lot of promise and avoid becoming distracted. Of course, maintaining balance in your life is as crucial. Be wary of your time and energy, though, as we cannot survive on bread alone. Avoid wasting any. 4. Conquer fear. This, according to Fox Business, is crucial when it comes to investing. It gets worse. The average American has less than $25,000 saved for retirement, and just 26 of those under 30 hold equities. This means that 52% of Americans do not own any stocks or stock funds. Stocks are undoubtedly a long-term investment that should be taken into consideration and are probably a good addition to your retirement portfolio. However, I'm not claiming that they are the only method to accumulate money. Some people choose not to invest because they believe they don't have enough money, but in truth, the problem may be quickly fixed because you can start with as little as $500. Naturally, it is simple to comprehend where all of the worry is coming from. The media frequently criticizes the market, largely because the market covering journalists don't truly comprehend what they are writing about. We can use 1979 and 2008 as examples. The media jumped on the fact that the market was undoubtedly in a poor state. At the wrong time, a lot of media claimed that the market was permanently dead. The market isn't a cure-all. And it does involve risk, but it has historically been a source of wealth, outperforming bonds or cash over the long term. Additionally, historically, it has been a far more effective strategy to provide retirement income than bonds or cash over the long term. 5. A plan. Having a plan helps you organize everything. Rich individuals are aware of this. With a plan, you can forecast your earnings, savings, investments, and, most importantly, the amount of retirement income you'll have when you need it. You may get over the fear that the media is trying so hard to instill in you by using your strategy to help you identify what's important and what needs less of your attention. The majority of wealthy people use these 5 tools to increase their wealth. The good news is that you are likely facing very few obstacles that will prohibit you from achieving the same. What other strategies do the wealthy employ to improve their financial situation? What more can you do to follow their example?
Awesome, thank you Matthew. I'm grateful that you share this video. I hope you guys liked the video I created using this awesome tool. If so, don't forget to check the link in the comment section. Alright, so in 2019 I joined a system that I have been using ever since. As a new member, I knew I had to go through the basic training in order to get started. Once I figured this thing out, I knew that I finally had something that I could help other people with. As a member, you get access to tons of training, and it is a simple process of learning, doing for yourself and teaching another person. Then all you got to do is recommend the system to someone else. It is so simple, and a lot of people have success with it. You can find many people that are 5, 6 or 7-digit earners that have success thanks to that system. But this is something that will take time. You can never rush things with online marketing, but if you are consistent with uploading content and stick to the process, even when you feel that it is not working, you are not seeing the results that you expected, I promise you will get there. Just stick to the process and don't give up. If you are interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link in the description. This will take you to a page with a red button. If you don't want to sign up to my free video training, then click the red button, and on the next page you can get started with the system I'm using. Anyway, thank you for taking your time watching this video. If you learned something of value, then why not click the like button? By doing that, you really help my YouTube channel grow faster. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe and click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. Stay awesome, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.